Today, I'm going to show you how to make over $1,000 while you sleep using an online method. The only thing you require is, of course, yourself. Before I forget, everything I'm about to show you is accessible from everywhere on the planet. Now buckle up because I'm going to show you how to make money with this strategy as we go through today's video. Stay tuned and watch until the conclusion of this video because I'll show you how to maximize your chances of winning large sums of money with these approaches. Also, never skip forward to some sections since you can miss out on some critical information that is essential to finishing the fresh new online money producing strategy that I'm going to show you today. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. Let me ask you a question. Do you have a PayPal account? If you don't already have one, you should get one as soon as possible because this is the site where you can earn money. Start by going to paypal.com and hitting the sign up button in the upper right corner of the homepage if you're new with the process. You'll be able to receive paid once you've completed it. You will then be routed to this page, where you must select your personal account because we will be using PayPal for our own personal purposes. After that, you must fill up some personal information such as your phone number, email address, full name, and password, and your PayPal account will be ready to use. This is where you get paid. As I previously indicated, let's get started on the first website without further ado. The first website I'd like to recommend to you is SpyFu.com. This website will aid others in gaining more traffic to their own websites or Google advertisements. It also reveals their competitors' search marketing strategy in every ad test they've done for the past 15 years, implying that this tool spies on other people's success stories in order to incorporate them into the client's success, hence the clever moniker SpyFu. Please stick with me because I want to assist you in earning more money online. There will never be a penny that leaves your pocket, so you won't have to worry about payments because there won't be any. To begin, browse down their website till you come across an affiliate area under the useful links category, which I encourage you to click on. Because of the repeating commission that pays out at an unbelievable rate of 40 for the rest of your life, this website is one of many wonderful ways to be an affiliate. This implies that if you introduce someone to this website and they pay and use it for their own purposes, you will receive 40% of their payment. Don't worry if you're new to this and have little to no experience with it. I'll show you how to attract traffic in this video. You'll discover more information about the affiliate program as you scroll down the page, so feel free to browse the full page and learn everything you need to know. As you can see, they have a 365-day monitoring cookie, which means you will get paid if someone clicks on your affiliate link for 365 days. And it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Because most of you use PayPal and prefer to be paid through PayPal, you'll be paid twice a month as stated below. It is critical that you receive your funds via PayPal because this platform allows you to earn money without having to work. Additionally, this platform has a churn to turnover rate of 4, indicating that your recurring commissions are still legitimate. This also implies that the individuals you mentioned will continue to utilize this platform, which is, in my opinion, the website's best feature. So moving on, I'd like you to return to the top of the page and click the button that says Start Earning Every Month to acquire your own affiliate link. I already discussed how to generate traffic to this website using your own affiliate link so that you may begin earning money. Let's look at the 3 main possibilities accessible on their platform right now. They provide annual and monthly payments, as well as basic professional and team plans. Before we go any further, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video thus further. Please leave a comment below if you found this video interesting and informative. Now, there's something you should know about how the professional plan is the most popular because it's just the proper quantity of money for flawless services at the ideal price. Now say you have 10 users, each of whom chooses an annual professional price, and the website costs you between $5,000 and $7,000, and you make $4,500 because you get a 40% discount. Isn't that amazing? All you have to do now, given the little background we had on SpyFu, is persuade people from all over the world to visit the website and eventually purchase one of SpyFu's services. Alright, given the little background we had on SpyFu, you now know how to make money online using this method, which is to get as many people as possible to buy subscription plans through your affiliate link and earn money in return. Now that portion could be a little challenging, but there's no need for you to miss out on this amazing chance because I'll be right behind you the whole way. Anyway, let's get down to business. Traffic generation. To do so, go to google.com and search for weight loss. You'll be taken to a page with a number of weight loss related articles. Then you'll have to look for articles regarding weight loss that are full of advertising. We're doing this because we're converting those ads into customers. Just a heads up, articles on the second or third page should be looked for. This is why we will be the ones recommending them with a secret method that we have in our possession, because they are an example of advertising firms, which means they have a reasonable budget. This also means that you can market our secret tool to them. And if you succeed, you will receive a whopping 40% of all successful subscription plans as your commission income. Take a look at this website you want to be associated with as an example. You can use the email information you received, or if a phone number is provided. You can utilize their contact information, reach out to them, and make sure you don't forget anything by listing all of the features available through our secret tool and being precise about why they should subscribe to any of the plans. You can also advise them on which plan would be the best for them. If you think I'm done, think again. This isn't the only approach I'll show you in this video. And the more clients you can bring in, the more money you'll make. This isn't the only approach I'll show you in this video. Because infinitesuggest.com is the second website I want you to visit. This website is a different way of attracting and producing visitors on the internet. These are the tools that will undoubtedly assist you because they provide you with a wide range of keyword suggestions, such as weight loss, which will then display a wide array of search results every time I enter. A significant amount of advertisement will appear, allowing you to market our secret tool plans to those advertisers. You'll never run out of clients, and you'll be able to discover plenty more if you just repeat the procedure using this top money-making strategy. To refresh your memory, SpyFu.com is the secret website of our secret tool today. Begin using SpyFu.com as soon as possible so that you may start making money right now. Open your computer or whatever device you're using and follow the steps I've provided. Your income potential will rise if you continue to employ this method. And the cherry on top is that you can do all of this with no effort and, of course, for free. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.